sponsoring this event and inviting us all this evening. I am Circuit Judge Lisa Porter. I am your judge in the Dependency Division, where I also work with children who've been abused, abandoned, and neglected. That's the work I do every day down at the courthouse. But let me tell you a little bit about how I got there and became your judge. I was born and raised in Miami. My mom and dad were both school teachers. Actually, my dad was a guidance counselor down in Riviera Junior High. My mom was a English teacher at South Miami Junior. I went to public schools down in Dade County, graduated from Miami Kelly Senior High School, and then I went off to the University of Florida and got my bachelor's degree and my law degree, and decided I wanted to be a trial lawyer. I didn't know what kind of trial lawyer I wanted to be, but sort of fell into a job in Ocala as an assistant state attorney and thought, well, I'll just stay there a year or so and get some experience. And as luck would have it, I kept getting promoted, and 7 years later, I was still there. I was became the division supervisor of Citrus County when I was 27 years old. I supervised a staff of 15. I became the felony supervisor of Marion County, which was the largest county of the Fifth Circuit. And 15 years ago, I came back to South Florida. And I got a job working for the Attorney General's Office of Statewide Prosecution, and worked under Attorney General Bob Butterworth for 8 of those years. Then 2 successive Attorney Generals. I was chief of the Fort Lauderdale office, and I specialized in mostly white-collar, complex, organized fraud cases, crimes against seniors, investment frauds, things of that nature. Very rewarding work, very different work. But you know, we all have experience before we become judges. But the other thing that I think is equally important is judicial temperament. There's really 3 components to being a judge in my estimation. The first being management skills. How do you manage your docket? How do you move your cases through the courts and assign orders and prepare orders in an organized fashion? And I believe I have that skill because I was a manager for 16 out of the 20 years that I was a prosecutor. The second part of the job is the people skills, and I believe I do that well. And the third part is, of course, legal reasoning and analytical ability. So I'd appreciate your support. If you could be a Judge Porter supporter on August the 24th, I'm in group 47. Thank you.